Company President, National History Week Champion, First Honors, graduating with high honors. Aldrich Rubio, son of Esther Reynaldo Rubio. Canister 10, University of Portland. Member of NHS, second honors, track and field member of junior achievement, graduating with honors. Michael Sariyuki Sakazaki, son of Jason Tracy Amplifier Sakazaki. Second honors, member of NHS, freshman year vice president, 2-year junior achievement participant, 4-year volleyball player, 1-year rugby football, 4-year varsity basketball player, second team All-Island, senior year All-Island MVP, Guam National Basketball Team member, graduating with honors. Pilar